What if I told you that your very next coworker might not even be human? Welcome to today's explainer. Google just dropped an absolutely massive update that is completely rewriting the rules of artificial intelligence, and it's going to fundamentally shift how you do your job. We are not just talking about a slightly smarter chatbot today, guys. We're looking at a total reinvention of how digital work actually gets done. So if you want to stay ahead of this massive paradigm shift and keep your edge, here is exactly what you need to know about Google Gemini. Picture this. You wake up tomorrow morning, and before you've even had a single sip of coffee, your AI has already read through your emails, it's organized your calendar, it analyzed some dense 300-page PDF you needed for a meeting, created a presentation, edited a video, and even replied to your most urgent messages. And the craziest part? It did all of that with 0 clicks, no typing, no constant prompting every 5 minutes. You literally just gave it one single instruction the night before, and your AI kept working, even while you were fast asleep dreaming about not doing paperwork. Now, just a few months ago, I would have said there's no way. That's impossible. But as we're about to see, Google's latest Gemini upgrade is turning this exact sci-fi scenario into our reality. Okay, so here's the core conflict. AI is incredibly powerful, right? But constantly having to supervise it, figure out the perfect prompt, check its work, and prompt it again is, frankly, exhausting. It can honestly feel like you're micromanaging an intern. So Google is stepping in to fix this by introducing active AI agents. We are moving away from passive chatbots that just sit there waiting for you to speak to active agents that actually get things done for you in the background without needing their hand held. Section 1. The shift to AI agents. Let's get into it. The whole thing starts right here with Gemini 3.5, the brand new brain powering Google's AI ecosystem. For years now, AI has mostly just been answering our questions. You ask it something, it spits back some text. But Gemini 3.5 is faster, it's smarter, and it's incredibly capable across text, images, audio, code, and video all simultaneously. This is a huge leap. We are moving from merely answering a question to taking a raw idea and delivering a completely finished result. This is the new foundation for everything we're about to look at. And that foundation gives us Gemini Spark. This is where the magic really happens. Just imagine assigning a complex, multi-step workflow to your AI, closing your laptop for the day and waking up with the entire task perfectly completed. Spark acts as this tireless digital assistant. It dramatically reduces the need for you to sit there and micromanage every single step of a massive project. But you might be wondering, how does the AI actually execute the work? Well, that brings us to computer use. This is a new developer tool that lets AI agents interact directly with software interfaces for supported tasks. Essentially, it means the AI can click and type inside a software program just like a human would. Think about all those mind-numbing data entry tasks or repetitive clicks you do every single week. Suddenly, they're just gone. This totally opens the door for automating the repetitive digital work that constantly bogs us down. Section 2. Automating your daily routine. You know that exhausting morning scramble, opening Gmail, checking your calendar, searching Google Drive, hunting through random notes, and doing it all over again? Yeah, you can scrap that. Now you get the daily brief. This feature brings all your fragmented, messy information together into one perfectly organized summary. So you start your day with a crystal clear picture of exactly what matters most. Way less searching, vastly more doing. And for those times when you really need to dive deep into a topic, we have the incredibly powerful Gemini Notebook. You can upload massive research papers, 300-page PDFs, messy meeting notes, and complex spreadsheets, literally all at once. The AI will organize the information, summarize the key takeaways, and even help you analyze the data using code and supported workflows. Whether you're a student pulling an all-nighter, a researcher tracking data, or a business pro prepping for a big pitch, this specific feature is going to save you hours every single week by crunching data that would normally take you days just to read. Section 3. One seamless AI ecosystem. Now, these aren't just isolated party tricks or standalone apps. The whole ecosystem connects. Gemini is now deeply integrated right into Android, making your phone a true everyday AI companion that streamlines tasks while you're on the go. Over on your computer, Chrome is getting a massive upgrade, allowing Gemini to instantly summarize web pages and compare information across all your open tabs to keep you focused. For businesses, Enterprise AI is stepping in as a highly practical workplace assistant, analyzing documents, organizing information across entire teams. And tying the whole shebang together is smarter personalization. Because the AI actually remembers the information you've chosen to save, you spend way less time repeating your preferences and typing out the exact same instructions over and over again. To put that into perspective and show you how this ecosystem works in practice, imagine giving your AI this exact prompt. Find 3 healthy dinner recipes, save my favorite one, and prepare a message to share it. One prompt, multiple apps. Instead of you opening a browser, switching to a Notes app, and then opening your text messages, Gemini coordinates all of these supported Google services from a single request. It's a total game changer for everyday automation. Section 4. Instant visual creativity. Let's be real for a second. If you've used AI a lot, you know text fatigue is very real. Reading giant blocks of generated text is incredibly boring. Well, Google is solving this by moving away from those huge, intimidating paragraphs. With the new visual AI responses, you get interactive cards, beautifully organized plans, visual timelines, and much richer layouts. Complex information is suddenly super easy to digest. It feels way less like reading a textbook and much more like interacting with a dynamic visual partner. And that same visual creativity totally changes the game for video with Gemini Omni. Normally, creating professional-looking videos means spending hours learning complex editing software, right? Not anymore. With Omni, you simply describe the scene you want. If it isn't quite perfect, you just naturally ask for changes. You refine the result through simple conversation, and the AI brings your ideas to life. You are literally directing a video just by talking to your computer. And it even works out in the real world with live creative image generation. Imagine pointing your smartphone camera at the boring living room you might be sitting in right now and saying, "Show me this room as a futuristic gaming studio," or "Turn this into a medieval castle." The AI transforms that real-world scene into imaginative artwork right on your screen in real time. It's instant, live creativity.
Section 5. Is this the future?
We have covered a tremendous amount of ground in this explainer today, from active agents working while you sleep to automated daily briefs, all the way to real-time video generation. So the absolute crucial point you should take away from all of this is that Google isn't just making AI smarter. They are fundamentally changing the definition of what AI actually is. It's no longer just a passive tool waiting for your questions. It is an active partner. It plans, it organizes, it creates, and it automates, all with your guidance. And a lot of these capabilities are rolling out gradually right now, pointing toward a future that is way closer than most people realize. Which brings me directly to you. Would you actually trust an AI agent to handle parts of your daily work? Like, are you ready to let an AI organize your day and answer your emails while you're fast asleep? Or is that a step too far for you? Get in the comments right now and let me know. I want to hear your thoughts on whether we are truly ready for this massive paradigm shift. Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning, and I'll catch you next time.